Welcome back Sunbro. We hope you all in great health and great money. Before we start, please at least subscribe so we can have little money for food and paying bills. Alright, today we are going to talk about cycling for beginners, 7 reasons to start today. Cycling is an easy, fun way to stay active, and it fits right into your daily routine no matter your age. 1. Boosts heart health. Biking regularly can lower your blood pressure, improve your resting heart rate, and cut your risk of heart disease. Some studies even show it reduces heart attack risk. 2. Easy on the joints. It's low impact, so it won't stress your joints like running does. That's why it's often used in physical therapy. In fact, people with osteoarthritis who cycle often report less knee pain. 3. Helps manage weight. Cycling helps you maintain a healthy body composition and can reduce obesity risk. Just 150 minutes a week is enough, and you can burn even more calories by adding hills or speed. 4. Improves mood. Riding a bike lifts your mood, eases anxiety and depression, and helps you sleep better. A peaceful ride in nature can really brighten your day. 5. Lowers diabetes risk. Biking helps you stay healthy and manage your weight, which can reduce your chances of getting type 2 diabetes, whether you're riding for fun, fitness, or commuting. 6. Great for daily life. Cycling isn't just exercise, it's fun and useful. It's a great way for families to be active together, and if you bike to work, you save money and help the environment too. 7. Builds muscle strength. It strengthens your legs, especially your quads, and helps with balance and everyday movement. It also helps older adults keep their muscle mass as they age. Indoor or outdoor, both types of cycling count. If you're busy, try a spin class or hop on a stationary bike at home. Whatever works, just aim for 150 minutes a week and get pedaling. Thanks for watching, Sunbro. Please subscribe, like, comment, and share if you find this helpful. Come again to our next meeting Sunbro.